going on, guys? It's your boy Boom Boom Tisk, and after quite a long taxi ride, we made it. Y'all already know where this is. We out here at Jay's Racing. We're just gonna go check out, make a quick visit, and hopefully we can get some video in there as well. But dude, I'm super excited. Let's go. Let's go. But yeah, so shout outs to Hisaaki-san. Thank you. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. Sorry. Yeah, this train is super loud out here. So Hisaaki-san, domo arigatou gozaimashita. I'm very excited to bring these merchandise back home. And thanks for also letting me, record my video clips in there too. So definitely, if you plan on visiting, I do recommend always ask for permission. Just anywhere you go, here in Japan, any shops, any stores that you visit, it just definitely makes people more comfortable. You always be respectful. So yeah, that's all I gotta say as far as that goes. Also, it does help to learn a little bit of Japanese because you're in Japan, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here for now. Thanks for watching. We still got plenty more things to do out here in Osaka, so stay tuned. You already know what to do. Bye bye. Jamata ne.